Hi, I'm Mindy Hannick, Community and School Garden Coordinator for UF IFAS Sarasota County Extension, and I'm here to share ideas with you on how you can save when you're growing your food at home. And one of those ways is it can help you save money, and it can also help you reduce waste because you'd be repurposing your materials before you recycle them. So if you're going to be growing food in particular, you want to look for food grade materials, and you have food grade plastics at home. And if you're like me and you've gone to a restaurant and you've gotten takeout, a lot of times they're actually giving you a food grade 2 or 5 plastic, which is frequently marked that it's microwavable. And that makes it great if you're going to be reusing it to start seeds in it, because you might be doing that under grow lights and or outside in Florida heat. And so it means it's going to be more tolerant for that when you want to put your soil and your seeds in there. You can also look for and reuse a recycle container. I don't have to, this isn't my recycle bin anymore, and I can put very big plants in this recycle bin. So explore what you have at home. It might even be a toilet paper holder.